Hello students, this is class 12 applied mathematics, and let us discuss the solution. And you can see this question paper code number, and this is set 4 applied mathematics of class 12, and I want to show you the question paper. You can see, yes, this is applied mathematics and class 12. So let us see the solution one by one, and how is the solution we'll find out. This is the instructional of and now this is section 1. Let us start one by one. Yeah. You can see question number 1, answer option A is the answer. Question number 2, B. Question number 3, B. Similarly, question number 4, C. Question number 5, D. Question number 6, C. You can see the answer. Question number 7, B. Question number 8, A. Question number 9, C. Question number 10, D. Question number 11, C. So this is the answers. It will be matching with CBSE answer key. Question number 12, A. Question number 13, A. Question number 14, A. Question number 15, A. So if any changes are there, if you think it is accurate, then definitely it will be considered by the CBSE, and you will be getting the mark according to that. Question number 16, D. Question number 17, B. Question number 18, A. 19, D. 20, C. 21, D. 22, C. 23, 23A. 24, A. 25, 25, B. 26, A. 27, D. 28, C. 29, B. 30, A. Similarly, let us go to 31, 31A. 32, D. 33, B. 34, B. 35, A. 36, D. 37, C. 38, B. 39, C. 40, A. 41, C. 42, D. 43, B. 44, D. Sorry, some problem is there. Once again, let me erase this one. Here I did a mistake. 43, B. 44, D. 45, B. So now the case study starts. 46, A. 47, A. 48, D. 49, B. And finally 50, B is the answer. This is all detail about applied mathematics. Next time releasing physical education, physics and all other subjects. So goodbye, take care. Once again we'll meet in the next video. Thank you.